Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As I said in the previous CJRB resource video that I wanted to do some modding on these handles and make them quite a bit darker. And not even just darker, but more blue. Because as you can see, it's kind of gray. And I want it to be more blue. And I'm in my kitchen right now, so the lighting is not as good as it typically is. But I'll make sure to get some outside shots so you can see kind of the before and after of the colors. This is also going to be kind of a shorter video. I'm not going to talk through the entire process. I'm just going to disassemble. I'm going to dye it, put it back together, and show you the finished product. So enjoy the less talking Wolfman Walsh fast forward video. Okay, so there you go. There's the exploded view. You can see we've got bearings there with the two scales separated. Time to get it into the die. All right, as you can see, I think you might be able to see, we've got some steam. We're almost to boiling. We're not quite there yet. I have my handle scales. Some string here. There's a knot in between. That way they can't touch. Here we go. We're just going for blue, just a darker blue. Just a few seconds worth. Oh yeah, already a little bit darker. Let's go a few more seconds. Okay, let's take them out, rinse them off. Oh yeah, that's much better. This here. Alrighty, get it dried off. And actually, I'm going to walk you all outside where you can have a better, because the lighting in my kitchen is just not that great. All right, well, I thought this would be the best way to show this off. This is our outdoor gray rug. And from the previous video, if I held this up to a gray object, it looked gray. It no longer looks gray against a gray object. It is blue, and it is beautiful. Got it reassembled, still fires open. I think I did a pretty good job. Yeah, here you go. Here's my new puppy for all those curious. This is Ahsoka. Say hi. So, yeah, nope, not for you. All right, well, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out this very, very light and easy mod. This is an easy way to change any knife that you own to make it, you know, better or better for you the way you would like it. So we'll see you next time. We got a series of fun little videos coming out soon about some Smith & Wesson knives. Now that may not sound exciting, but these knives are kind of goofy and they have fun stories to them. So look forward to those. As always, I'm Wolfman Walsh. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Mm-hmm.